I'm gonna walk you guys through the process of minting your own NFT video on Opensea.io, so let's get started. This is a step-by-step tutorial for beginners, and don't worry about it, it's not gonna be too difficult. You do not have to be a cryptocurrency expert to get this done. All you need to do is connect to Opensea.io and click on this button that says create. Once you're here, you will be required to connect your cryptocurrency wallet, and you've got a bunch of different options, ranging from MetaMask to your Coinbase wallet, to other options such as Phantom or Glow, which are based on the Solana network. The other ones are based on Ethereum. And so depending on your preferences, you can just choose the one that is most suitable for your needs. For the sake of simplicity, I'm gonna pick my MetaMask wallet and connect it. And in case you do not have one and you need to set one up, all you gotta do is connect to metamask.io and download the extension for Chrome. Once that is out of the way, you can add it to your Chrome browser and you're pretty much all set. There you go. You can click on this button that says add to Chrome, add the extension, set up an account, and that's it. In case you're entirely new to this field of activity and you want to learn more about how to secure your wallet, there's gonna be a full step-by-step tutorial that you can follow. But most importantly, you have to save your secret recovery phrase somewhere. Now, this is confidential information, so I'm not gonna be able to reveal it, but you just want to click on this button, copy that text somewhere safe, and keep it. Just store it there. Because this is basically the backup to your wallet. And in case you start finding your wallet, and you do not have this secret word phrase, you're gonna get in trouble. But let's not get sidetracked. The main purpose of today's video is creating our own NFT video on Opensea. So how can we do that? Well, let's connect our wallet. And at this point, a world of different possibilities will open up to us. We can literally upload all of these different file formats. We're talking about JPEG, PNG, MP4. And so, if you don't want to create NFTs in the form of images or videos, you can even create audio NFTs or 3D models if that is what you're passionate about. But let's stick to the point here. We want to create a video NFT, so how can we do that? Well, first and foremost, doing a little bit of research might come in handy. For that reason, what you can do is head over to the marketplace and start searching for the most popular or the most viewed NFTs on Opensea. You can click on Explore, then select Art, and now you can take a look at all of these different collections in order to get some inspiration. But this is just an optional step. And so guys, here is just one way that you can create your NFT video. You gotta make sure that the images or videos you are using are copyright free so that you don't get in trouble. And for that reason, pexels.com is a great place to connect to. Now, I've just searched for Elon Musk, and I couldn't really find any relevant footage. However, I found this picture right here that I think is really great. There you have it. And now I'm gonna turn this one into something really unique. Guys, I do know that this video is about creating a video NFT and not a JPEG one, but you will understand exactly what I'm going for in a second. Stick with me because it's gonna be worth it. What I'm gonna do up next is connect to canva.com and start playing around. I'm gonna click on create a design and then edit photo. And now I can just select the picture I've just downloaded and start editing it. And now what you wanna do is choose the video option. And at this point, guys, you can start customizing each and every single frame, one at a time. First and foremost, I'm gonna make the first one shorter, about 1 second long. I think that is enough. Then I'm gonna duplicate it by right-clicking on it and then selecting this option. And at this point, I wanna customize the second one. We can even make the frames shorter than that if we want to, in order to have a really dynamic GIF. The best part about Canva is that they've got a wide library of different elements that you can use for free, such as this coin right here that I've just selected. I think this is a pretty good starting point, so let's just keep adding slides. Again, what I want to do at this point is duplicate the second one, and I'm gradually going to reveal this coin with every single slide. You want to keep doing that for a while. Again, this is just an example, you don't necessarily have to go through this process, but I think this is a pretty cool idea. And I think this is good enough. So what you want to do right now is click on the share button and then download the final version. So let's just get back to Opensea.io for a second and upload our design. And that's it. At this point, we're pretty much ready to launch our own NFT. And we're gonna list it on the marketplace. You can also add a preview image. And for that one, you can just grab a standstill of this last slide. So let me do exactly that. Up next, you want to add the name. And if you want to, you can also add an external link. This is where users can learn more about your design. You can add a description and some other details. Or you can just add a description right here in this box. Once that is out of the way, you can select a collection or you can just create a new one. In order to make it unique, you might even add some properties, levels, stats. At the end of the day, you're the NFT creator here, so you're in full control. Then you might as well want to add the supply. This is the number of items that can be minted. And there is no gas cost to you, so you can add how many you want. Then you're gonna select the blockchain, and that can be Ethereum, Polygon, Layton, or Solana. And ultimately, you want to click on the create button. Before your item gets created, you have to fill out that captcha. And there you have it. You created Dogecoin Reveal. My NFT has just been created. It is owned by me, but it is not yet listed on the marketplace. So I can view it, but I cannot actually sell it. If you want to sell it as well, you want to click on that button, and that will allow you to enter in a fixed price, or you can go for a timed auction and let people bid for it. Let's just enter in an amount of 0.1 Ethereum. And now I can click on complete the listing. However, guys, if you want to complete this process successfully, you need to cover some fees. It is not going to be entirely free. You'd have to pay about $27 or $25 in order to cover those fees. And for that reason, selling an NFT is not entirely free of charge. But now guys, we've gone through this tutorial, but I want to give you some more value. Is this actually a real way that you can make money online by just selling NFT videos? Well, I do not think so. Here's the thing, when it comes to most NFT projects, they spend a lot of money on advertising, marketing their project, and even paying influencers in order to promote them. Here's the thing that most people do not understand. Anybody can create an NFT, but not everybody can sell one. And so guys, if I were just starting out right now, and I were looking for ways to make money with NFTs, here's what I would do. I would connect to Rarity.tools, head over to the upcoming section, and start looking at all of these different upcoming NFT projects. These are the latest releases, which means that you can start learning about them just before they are launched. That might be the perfect moment to get involved. Now, I'm not saying that you should start buying all of these random NFTs, but instead, what you could do is try to connect to their developers, and perhaps you might be able to get a job, like a community manager. Perhaps you can be part of the creative team in case you're a graphic designer. There are so many things you can help them with. Oh guys, and by the way, by connecting to Rarity.tools and getting in touch with all of these different NFT developers, you're doing something else that is really important. You are networking, and as people say, your network is your net worth. And for that reason, exchanging information and learning new skills is going to prove really valuable over time, over the long run. You get to know people that really know what they are talking about, you get to learn from them, but most importantly, you get your foot in the door, and moving forward, things are gonna be more streamlined. Because that's the thing that most people do not understand. Managing a successful NFT project is a lot more complicated than what people make it seem. There's just a lot that goes into it, from the visuals to managing the community to marketing your project, and then having all of the infrastructure to help you out. I literally have a friend who earns over $2,500 on a monthly basis by managing a Discord community. All he does is just reply to people's questions, and most of these NFT projects will have a Discord server, they will have a Twitter page that probably needs management as well, and they also have a website. Again, if you have some web development skills, they might need that. That is what I would do. I would try helping all of these different NFT developers, I would start generating some cash, and perhaps I would then consider launching my own collection. But until I have enough money to promote my project, I wouldn't start spamming the internet with random NFTs and selling them on Opensea. Because to be truthful, the reality is nobody's gonna buy them unless you're really lucky. That's it for now, and thanks for watching.